Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from VIVO Y35 to an Android device. First of all, open Play Store on both and click on the search bars. Then type in Send Anywhere. Now you need to get this app from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, select I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. Then do exactly the same on VIVO. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. In this pop-up, you can choose Not Now if you wish to, and then close it by selecting OK. Now select Receive on an Android and Send at the bottom left corner of your VIVO. Finally, you can click on all of those dots from all of those categories and hit Send over here. This way you'll select all of them and transfer them later on. It will take some time though, so I will go with only this one photo. Choose Send and tap on Got it. Now on an Android, select one of those options and click on Close this window. Finally, we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code using this scanning icon, then select while using the app or only this time and point our camera at the code. But we can also input this key over here instead and tap on Receive. Either way, after a couple of seconds, my picture was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!